Hi guys, and welcome back to Successful Living. Today I want to talk about our Sunday routine, which is something we try to do every Sunday so that we can start the new week, the new Monday, in a better way, in a more, everything is clean, everything is ready. I am ready, Torsten's ready, the house is all ready for the next week. It is especially great to prevent Monday syndrome. I think it's really nice to start a new month and a new week in a better way by just getting everything in order, getting your shit together, and just a little bit preparation before a new week or a new month starts. Before we start this video, I have an announcement to make. There is gonna be a huge giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you watch the whole thing and don't forget to enter the giveaway. This is our Sunday routine. We try to make everything on this list work every Sunday, but of course real life happens and sometimes we don't, but this is something that you can take as a general template and work your way through it. If you finish everything every week, good for you. If you don't, you still did something. By the way, there is a freebie down in the description box below for you to download. This is a Sunday routine template that you can work with if you want to, so you don't have to prepare it yourself. I already did that for you, so make sure you go down in the description box and download it. Maybe you can even take some notes from this video. Every Sunday I try to start this routine by putting a mask in my hair. My hair is very thin, very fine, so it is really important for me to take care of it, and I don't have time during the day to put hair mask because it needs to stay for a couple of hours and I'm generally, on camera or on talks. So what I like to do is to start with that, put the hair mask in and go through with the whole routine, the cleaning, the getting everything organized, getting your life together bit, and then wash it off later. The second step in this routine is for us to change the sheets and start the laundry. I tend to wash laundry throughout the week as well, but especially on Sundays, I like to change our sheets, or sometimes there is some laundry that is still lying around and I hate to start a new week with laundry in our laundry basket. So this is the second step of our Sunday routine. Number 3 is to tidy up. This depends on the week big time. Sometimes the house is just a mess. Sometimes we do actually a good job by keeping it in order. This was one of the examples where it was a little bit unorganized. So I do tidy up every morning a little bit, but on Sundays I tend to put stuff away to their designated areas. I'm trying to keep a very organized house, and I really recommend you to organize your space the best way you can. I have some videos about this. I'm gonna leave everything, every possible resource for you in the description box below as well. Number 4 on our Sunday routine is brushing Cha-Cha. I don't know if I told you about this, but Torsten has allergic asthma, and he developed this after he got together with Cha-Cha. So there's not much we can do about this. We are trying to keep Cha-Cha away from him in certain areas, like in the bedroom he's not allowed and such, but also this brushing bit he unfortunately can't do anymore. So I try to brush Cha-Cha every week. This doesn't happen every week, although it should have, but that's one thing that is on our Sunday routine. And after that, we take care of our other pets, the fish in the pond in our garden. This is a very happy moment for both of us. It depends on the season. Sometimes they eat every week, sometimes they eat every 2 to 3 weeks. Since we're in spring and summer, they're gonna be eating every week, and it's just so much fun to watch them going and reaching for the food. I don't know, life is so much better with pets. That's what I always say. The next step is to clean the bathrooms. I have to do this every Sunday. This is a non-negotiable for my Sundays because I just can't live in a house where the bathrooms are dirty. We have 3 bathrooms in this house, so I try to clean them every week regularly. There's nothing special or interesting about it, it's just cleaning the bathrooms. And the next step is to clean Cha-Cha's bowls. Of course, since he's a golden retriever, he creates a lot of mess, and these bowls should be cleaned every week so that he doesn't get, bacteria grown in his food container or food bowl. So we try to keep it clean as much as possible. And the next one is vacuum and mop. Again, there is nothing really crazy about this. Torsten likes to vacuum more than I do, and I like to mop more than he does. So we have this really nice, especially with this, but also with the whole routine. We have a dedicated person for every single task kind of thing. So we basically allocated the whole Sunday routine and cleaning items in the house between us so that it's not all on one person. And I think that's a no-brainer really. Next one is to prep food. It's already evening time when we go through the whole list, and of course in the morning of the Sunday we do other things before we start this routine, so it's already food time. Torsten is the dedicated cook in the house and he's an amazing cook really. So he's prepping the food and I am more the cleaning the kitchen, playing with the water, you know, doing the dishes type of person. So this is what we're doing afterwards. While he's still preparing food, I used to go and change my nail polish. Now that I have gel nail polish, I don't really do that, but I still do a little bit of maintenance on my nails. I remove the cuticles, I push them back, or I put some hand cream, a hand mask or something. I like to take care of my hands. So that's what I do. And of course, being a Turkish woman, I have to take care of my eyebrows because they tend to go crazy really, really fast. And that is happening every single morning and especially every single Sunday. Then it's time for me to take a bath or a shower. It depends on how much time I have. If I have time, I will take a bath with Epsom salts. It's really good for sore muscles. And since we're working out pretty much every day now, my muscles are pretty much all the time sore. If I don't have the time, then I will just do a shower, but I will do a nice face peeling, a body peeling, and a baby oil all over my body to nourish the body and prepare it for the next week as well. Also, I use this Sunday shampoo that removes all the buildup from the products that I use throughout the week. So I deep clean my hair as well every Sunday. The next step is to exfoliate the lips and put on a face mask. I try to put on a face mask a couple of times a week, but sometimes it doesn't work. So I make sure that I at least apply a mask every Sunday. One of my favorites is from Cyan. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box if you're interested. I think it's the best mask I've ever used in my life. It's just, it leaves your skin so smooth, so perfect. There's nothing else I can say about it. If you're interested about a skincare routine or how I take care of my body, what products I love, what products I use, let me know in the comments so maybe we can record a video about this as well. I do my manicure and pedicure myself. Even though I get gel nails, I still like to, you know, keep up with them like I said. So I like to do my pedicure after Sunday shower because, you know, the cuticles are soft and nice. I just like to prepare myself head to toe before Monday comes so that I don't have to deal with these things throughout the week because, as you know, I'm a serial entrepreneur. My weeks are generally really, really packed, really busy, so I don't need to, or I don't want to spend time on personal grooming and all that stuff. The next step on my Sunday routine is to clean my phone inside and out. So I like to go through all my albums, remove all the, you know, 1,000 selfies or the screenshots that I took. I write them on my planner if there's something actionable to do from them. I make sure that I keep my phone a little bit tidy so I get what I want from those screenshots and those mementos basically. And after that, I like to wipe my cell phone with some rubbing alcohol because of course cell phones carry a lot of bacteria and I don't want to get skin problems and infections and all that stuff. So I make sure that I wipe it with rubbing alcohol at least every 15 days. The next step is, since it's a Sunday evening, I do my weekly planning. I think the weekly planning on a Sunday evening is a definite must for me, and nowadays actually I think the last couple of months I've been also scheduling some social media posts. I did a video all about that if you're interested. Again, all the resources are going to be in the description below if you're interested in those videos. But I like to plan my week a little bit on Sunday evening so that I prepare my mind for the coming week as well. This Sunday routine is not just for cleaning around, getting the house in order and getting your, you know, body in order, but it's also getting your mind in order as well. So I like to put out all the things that has to happen next week already on the Sunday. So first, I know what I'm gonna do throughout the week, and second, I have a reason to wake up Monday morning. I know exactly what's gonna happen Monday morning. And that is pretty much it really. After that, we spend some time on the couch. We try to go to bed around 10 so we can read a little bit in bed, have a chat maybe, and then sleep at 11 so that we can start Monday morning at 6 a.m. with a great morning routine. I hope you enjoyed this routine video. I hope it was useful. Let me know if you also have a Sunday routine and how it looks like. And don't forget to download the free Sunday routine template in the description box below. Now it's time for the giveaway. Of course, we're talking about planning and being organized and Sunday routines and morning routines and stuff. So I wanted to help you guys to get more organized and more planned. And therefore, I have a great giveaway for you. I'm gonna be giving a bunch of GET Estilo products to one lucky winner. I'm gonna list all the categories down in the description box as well, but basically you're gonna be able to choose your own planner, some planner inserts, some charms, some accessories, some pens, like whatever you need to actually to get your planning going, to set up a planner yourself, I'm gonna be giving away for free. This is my contribution to you guys. I hope it will encourage you to start planning and be more organized, to get more done in life, to reach your goals and eventually to live your dream life. To be able to join the giveaway, what I need you to do is to first, subscribe to this channel, and second, leave a comment down below. You can comment with anything. You can give me a video idea. You can tell me what you like about my videos. You can tell me who your favorite YouTuber is. Anything really is accepted. But of course, when I'm looking through these comments and picking this winner, I'm gonna be choosing the comment that stands out the most to me. There is a twist to this giveaway though. If a friend of yours also joins the giveaway and makes a comment below and writes down your YouTube name, your YouTube username in his or her comment, I will count it as one entry for your friend and 2 entries for you. So you can enter the giveaway yourself with 1 comment, but if a friend of yours also enters writing your YouTube name next to her or his comment, then I will count that also as an entry for you. And there is no limit to that. You can have as many friends as possible commenting for you as well. And don't forget, that will be also an entry for them. All of this information, how to enter and the products that I'll be giving away are in the description box below. So make sure that you check that box. Also, the date that the giveaway will be closed will be in the description box below. And I think I'm going to be announcing the winner here on a video or on my Instagram account. I'll let you know in the description box below.